Outlanders. Your journey ends here.
I want to build a snowman. Will you help?
Just be careful not to mention it in front of her, though, okay? If you do...
No! Yu's tricking us! She's gonna go for an assist!
This is the room where we control the winds that protect Laurent.
But my sister Reese said I could never turn off the wind.
Well, I wonder, would this be the treasure you were talking about? Timeless power? Well, I'd say you were a tad too late.
Shine down upon the wounded.
That gives one the impression y'all would have guts. Takes a mighty brave soul to challenge a titan, after all.
Unbelievable!
Tab! Here you are! My human's cleaning, don't worry, I got it!
Oh, gods above. Today we're burning these chaos pieces to send them back to you.
Here's the money as promised. Half now, half when we find my father.
If you go hiking and don't take any pictures, does the forest really exist?
See ya!